All right. Excellent job as usual. So if you could let me know how fast you get for everything, not just the palm mute stuff, but all three things, that'd be good. Um, so yeah, we got another complicated pattern here. I like to call these two-note coils, even though you're not going up like a four-note coil where you go like 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. We're doing like 1, 2, and then we skip that first note and they go 1, 2, 1, 2. So it's kind of like going up in twos, but we have to kind of go down while we're doing it because we descend first. We go up a little bit, descend, descend. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. One, two, three, four. One, two, three, four. Let's try a little faster. Let's get 150 to go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Ugh. 1, 2, 3, 4. Maybe not. This is a tough one. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, let's try the repeats at 120. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, highly recommend 1 bar at a time. So day 1, just work on that by itself, that by itself, that by itself, and that one by itself. Day 2, you work on 2 bars at a time. Or maybe the ascending by itself and then the descending by itself. And then, if you feel ready, work on the whole thing. But if you feel like you need extra time because of how difficult this is, you can just do the 1 bar at a time for 2 days. You can do the 2 bars at a time for 2 days. Just break it down as much as you need to. And yeah, that's a tough one. Okay, number 2. So this is taking the same thing from last time, but instead of picking each note 3 times, well, not each note, we had 3, 3, and 2. So instead of doing that pattern where you pick the note 3 times, pick the next note 3 times, and then the next note twice, now we're going to pick each note once, but it's going to ring out the length of that amount of 16th notes. So the first note will ring out for 3 16th notes, The second note rings out for 3 16th notes, and the third note rings out for 2 16th notes, which is an eighth note. So that rings out for 3 16ths, that rings out for 3 16ths, and that rings out for 2. So same notes as before, still following that 3 3 2 kind of pattern, but we're only picking each note once. So a little bit different. 1, 2, 3 E and a 4 E and a 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, Wrong note. 1, 2, 3, 4. Repeats 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow, really, right at the end. I started wondering, like, did I do it 3 or 4 times? And then I just goofed it up. All right, try again. 1, 2, 3, 4. One, two, three, four. Okay. So yeah, with the chords, the palm mute pattern last time, yeah, you do want to try and get both strings there for something like that, because, well, it adds a bit of challenge to it. As far as like musically though, if you were to play something like that, that kind of pattern musically, a lot of times what happens is people will just hit the chord for the non-palm muted part and then just palm mute the bass note. But it does sound more full to hit both strings. So it's a bit of like writing your own stuff, or playing your own stuff. Like, which one do you like the sound of better, really, is what it comes down to. And if at a certain speed it doesn't really matter, like you don't really hear much of a difference, it doesn't matter anymore, and you just want the speed, just hit the chord during the non-palm muted part, and then just the root note, or the one string during the palm muted part. But for what you and I are doing, if you see 2 strings, hit both strings. Hit both of them. All right, so this one, same palm mute pattern, but just the one note at a time. We're going to pedal off that low E string while fretting on the A string. Just want to make sure that you mute, not just the palm mute, but we don't want to hear like the E string leaning over into the notes when we're playing on the A string, or the other way around. So we just got to make clear distinct, different notes when we're playing. We don't want a chord accidentally ringing out anywhere. So here we go. 60. 1, 2, 3, 4. And notice I like to put my thumb over the top to help with the muting. Very useful trick to do. One, two, three, 4. $160. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. $200. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Repeats. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's that. So any questions come up, let me know, and I will see you again next week.